Let's dance in style, let's dance for a while. Heaven can wait, we're only watching the skies, hoping for the best but expecting the worst. Are you gonna drop the bomb or not? Let us die young or let us live forever. We don't have the power but we never say never. Sitting in a sandpit, life is a short trip. The music for the sad man. But can you imagine when the race is won and turn our golden faces into the sun, and praising our leaders, we're getting tuned. The music played by the madman. Forever young, I wanna be forever young. Do you really wanna live forever, forever and ever? Forever young, I wanna be forever young. Do you really wanna live forever, forever young? Some are like water, some are like the heat, some are a melody and some are the beat. But sooner or later they all will be gone. Why don't they stay young? It's so hard to get old without a cause. I don't wanna perish like a fading horse. Youth's like diamond in the sun, and diamonds are forever. So many adventures couldn't happen today. So many songs we forgot to play. So many dreams swinging out of the blue. We let them come true. Forever young, I wanna be forever young. Do you really wanna live forever, forever and ever? Forever young, I wanna be forever young. Do you really wanna live forever, forever young?
I hear the ticking of the clock. I'm lying here, the room's pitch dark. I wonder where you are tonight. No answer on the telephone, and the night goes by so very slow. Oh, I hope that it won't end though. Alone till now, I've always gone by on my own. I never really cared until I met you, and now it chills me to the bone. How do I get you alone? How do I get you alone? You don't know how long I've wanted to touch your lips and hold you tight. You don't know how long I have waited, and I was gonna tell you tonight. But the secret is still my own. Oh, my love for you is still unknown. Alone till now, I've always gone by on
kay rumampa.
Come ride with me when you are free. Call me when it's free. You don't have to tell nobody that you're coming home with me.
Huwag mong pansinin ang mga tumitingin sa ating dalawa. Oh, baby, I want you back right now. Baby, I want you back right now. Yeah, the way you love, can you teach me how?
Lalambingin kita alagaan. Ikaw lang ang tatabihan sa higaan.
Tila ko ay nakalutang sa langit,
Ngunit nalulunod sa iyong mga ngiti.
at kung hanggang dito na talaga tayo, hindi pa babayaan ang daang tinahak na kapiligan.
Umabot tayo hanggang dulo. Kapit lang na mahigita, abutin natin ang mga dala.
Huwag mo sanang iisipin na papagod na ako. Di ako apurado, pero sa'yo ano ba? Gusto ko lang naman makasigurado.
Matagal na panahon na kitang balak tanungin. May pag-asa ba ko, bakit di pa sagutin? Sabihin mo ano pa ba ang dapat kong gawin? Bukod sa araw-araw kitang dapat mahalin.
Ang amo ng iyong mukha sa first look, nung una kitang makita sa Facebook. Kakaiba pa ang iyong pangalan, para bang ang hirap mong hawakan.
Wala nang akong ibang hahangarin, laging pasasalamat na ika'y sa'kin dumating. At hindi ka babaliwalain, magkasama lang kita, yun lang ang aking hiling. Cause
ilang araw ka nang hindi dumadalaw. Alam mo bang hinahanap kita araw-araw, gabi-gabi ako hindi mabakali. Inaalala ko ang mga bawat sandali.
handa nang nahulog, hindi ko na malayan. Ikaw pala, ikaw na nga ang matagal ko nang hinihintay.
Ang tanging larawan mo na lamang ba ang tanging hawak-hawak ko? At kahit anong gawin, limutin ka, hindi malis sa isip ko.
Kasi di ko na matiis, love. Dahan-dahan kitang nami-miss, love. Ilang beses man nilang aliwin, ikaw at ikaw pa rin ang gusto kong kinikis, love.
I don't know what to do, or even I'm gonna say, cause every time na narin ka, ako'y napapanig. Di na makagalaw sa kinatatayuan.
Ayan, nakikita na namin yung ano guys, yung mga mountain dito.
Up.